What's up, everybody? Welcome back to TGK TV. It's your boy TGK, and today this is part 2 to the part 1 of the Air Jordan 35 heel unit popped video. So this is basically a follow-up to that. So let me take you back to episode 1 real quick, and let's go through the sequence of events. And before we get started, guys, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Check out all the content that I got. I do card unboxings, we do basketball shoe reviews, we travel, we do vlogs, we do reviews of anything that we get our hands on. And we got a lot of cool videos coming up, so I hope you stick around and check them all out. And I really do hope you enjoy this channel. Anyway, let's get straight to this video. So in part 1, basically what I went over is how I felt that the shoes were basically defective and that there was nothing that I did to them to cause them to pop, the heel cushion setup. So the Air Max unit popped on my Jordan 35, and I did return it to Nike, and Nike did refund my money. So this is basically the follow-up. So with that money that they refunded me and a little push from a friend of mine to gift me the shoes, this is what we got out of it. We ended up getting another pair of Jordan 35s. I really enjoy the shoe, and if 2 heel zoom units pop, I'm gonna be beyond myself. I'm gonna be pissed off at the same time. So this is basically an unboxing of the Air Jordan 35, the Morpho colorway. Let's go. So with all that money that they refunded me with, I was looking for shoes that would that I wanted. So I couldn't get the Sisterhood colorway again, and I wanted these shoes in particular. They look so badass online, and I hope that they look just as badass in person. So let's see them. Yes. I don't know what this is, but look at that. Just look at that. Wow. These shoes are fire. I feel like I'm a Charlotte Hornet playing these. Now these shoes are really dope. This is basically a collaboration with the Chinese basketball player named Guo Ailun. And this is called the Morpho colorway, or that's how I read it, Morpho. And whenever I saw these online, I was just like, yo, these are dope, man. So these come with an XDR, the extra durable rubber, extra durable so you can play longer. And that definitely was proven in the last Jordan 35s that I had. So the thing about these kicks that really stuck out to me, there was another version. I think Google has a low cut collaboration with Air Jordan as well. But there was this one, and this one just spoke to me a lot more. I wanted these, and we ended up getting them. So in the tongue area, you got your Air Jordan logo, and then on this side, we got a G. So I'll take a G because my last name Garcia. So this just fits. It made sense. This fit. The entire color scheme to it, this teal, blue aqua with the glitter speck in the middle, and then this black that just kind of fades in the middle of the kick. This is a beautiful shoe. Beautiful kick. And part of me doesn't want to hoop in them, but I'm here to review shoes, and we're definitely gonna hoop in these. I'm sorry, I got to. I definitely miss hooping in my Air Jordan 35 Sisterhood colorway. So I gotta break these in. That's gonna be the tough part, but once they're broken in, I know these are gonna be a dope performer. So yeah, so basically part 2 is really, I ended up returning the original shoes and got more shoes out of it in return. And these are a collaboration shoe, so they're not necessarily readily available for the entire public. So the smart thing would be to hold on to them and then resell them, but nah, I'm gonna hoop in them. That's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, so Nike, if you ended up seeing this, I hope there's something to this whole cushion setup. The cushion setup in here, they're in orange little bags. I just hope that this cushion setup lasts and that it's not defective like my last one, and we don't get any pops out of these. Because these are just really good performers, man. So anyway, guys, let me know what you think of these kicks. Did I make the right decision in basically reinvesting into more basketball shoes? Or should have I gone with the Zions and review those? Anyway, let me know in the comments. It's been your boy TGK, and I'm going to catch y'all on the next one.